Love the colour of these torch ginger. Secured the goods. These used to be used for like rice back in the day. Hi, I'm Kirthanaa Naidu and I'm going to show you how to make my 3-layer rice pudding. So firstly, I'm going to wash the purple sticky rice. The bubur pulut hitam is very much a Malaysian classic. I like to soak the rice as it gives it a really even cook. Water and some salt. Antini pandan. Pandan is something that I use quite a lot in a lot of my desserts, and it gives it such a lovely, beautiful fragrance. I'm going to take about 3, tie it into a knot which releases its flavor. I'm going to put it on medium heat for about an hour until it's soft to the bite. Now that my purple sticky rice has been boiling for an hour, add some gula melaka and coconut milk to it. I'm going to make some pandan juice. See the green color. Some milk, double cream, coconut milk, plain white caster sugar. Okay. I've taken like flavors that I've grown up with, making it my own and having tried things in the UK and stuff that I want other people to try as well, but then bringing those flavors from home and putting it into a new dessert.
Koi kochi.
Put the rice pudding, add the pudding rice, give it a taste. If it's soft to the bite, then it's ready, and take it off heat. Salt. We're going to make it into a custardy, sort of creamy sauce, and we need the egg yolks for that. Adding the egg yolks at the end, it makes it really thick and luscious, and that's what makes it a proper rice pudding. A dessert like this, especially when it's cool, it's perfect to make the day before hosting. I like cooling both of the layers separately. Each of the layers are a bit more defined. And then to top off the dessert, I've got this golden susu mango, which while I'm in Malaysia, this is the mango we use. Uncle, boleh 1 kg? Start it in the corner there. So it's got such a beautiful sweetness. I love this young ginger that you can get in the markets here. And I'm gonna use this as a centerpiece for a table setting. I love using seasonal produce. Torch ginger, in Malay we call it bunga kantan. It's really beautiful when you peel them back. You can use it as flowers, and it's such a beautiful smell as well. Baby mangoes. I'm gonna get these for my table. What's perfect about this is that anywhere you are in the world, if you're hosting friends, instead of using imported flowers, these are the perfect way to keep your table seasonal. And here's my tropical table. And here's my tropical table.
Wrong shirt.
Oh my God, sorry.